one of the requirements for the application for PCO accreditation is the Certificate of Employment. So how to prepare the Certificate of Employment for the purpose of PCO accreditation application? I do have here the template for Certificate of Employment. So let's fill this up. First, we have the company letterhead. I will just put ABC Company Inc. Certificate of Employment, date, for example, December 5, 2024, to whom it may concern. This is to certify that the name of the appointed or designated pollution control officer, Mr. Juan de la Cruz, has been employed in the name of the company. For example, ABC Company Inc. as yung position po niya. Like for example, as an industrial engineer from the date he or she was hired. For example, January 5, 2020 up to the present. And then we have here the statement currently he or she, so halimbawa, he is designated or appointed as pollution control officer in concurrent to his position cited above and shall perform the duties and responsibilities of the PCO based on Section 10, DAO 2014-02, but not limited to the following. 1. Ensure updated permits and certificates issued by concerned regulatory agency. Submit on-time environmental reports, monitor activities, and recommend appropriate control measures to protect the environment. Number 4, implement environmental programs, projects, activities in support to local and international events. And finally, attend meetings or seminars as continuing professional development. And we have also here, this certification is being issued upon the request of the aforementioned name for whatever lawful purpose it may serve him best. Given this, for example, 5th day of December 2024 at, for example, Batangas City, Batangas. Issued by the name of the managing head. For example, Mr. Peter S. Pan, the managing head, and then date signed, for example, December 5, 2024. So ito na po yung Certificate of Employment na dito po ipinapasa po ito sa online PCO accreditation system for the purpose of PCO accreditation. Saan po yun makikita yung pagdadalhan or pag-uploadan nitong Certificate of Employment? Doon po sa pco.emb.gov.ph. So kung meron na tayong prepared, duly signed na Certificate of Employment, pwede na natin po yung i-upload doon sa system. As shown on the screen is the application form online sa online PC accreditation system. So we select the file, the certificate employment, duly signed by the managing head. So once na ma-upload along with other files, needed requirements, we can now submit our application for PCO accreditation. Sa DAO 2014-02 or the revised guidelines for pollution control officer accreditation in section 8 of this department order, makikita po natin dito mismo yung iba pang mga relevant requirements for the application for PCO accreditation. Among many, the letter of appointment or designation as PCO and the notarized affidavit of joint undertaking. At dito po natin sa ating PCO online accreditation system, ina-upload yung mga requirements na yon per Section 8 of DAO 2014-02 or the revised guidelines for PCO accreditation. So again, this is the sample of the certificate of employment for the purpose of PCO accreditation. So thank you very much for watching this video. Mabuhay po ang lahat. God bless po.